What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Kong Trading. Today we're gonna be trying something new and we're gonna be doing some simple TA, and I'm gonna be explaining you my views on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and on Litecoin as well. Alright guys, let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Here we have opened a chart of Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, and at the first glance it looks really weird to some traders, and I totally understand that a lot of people are getting chopped up. But in fact, it is something very simple and seen so much in trading. And that is called a range. A range is just simply a nice channel of like between two prices where the price is moving at the moment and it's not breaking it. And to be honest, guys, a lot of times people are believing, oh, now it's gonna break down, now it's gonna shoot up. I'm gonna show you guys right now how this actually works. So we're gonna be putting a nice box to mark out our bottom of the range, and then we're gonna be putting a second box to mark out the top of our range. We're gonna be adjusting it just a tiny bit to cover these fake outs to the upside. And then when you're looking at ranges, a lot of times you hear the word deviation, and that deviation is right here where it comes outside the range and goes right back in. Here we came below the range, right back in. Here once again we came right below the range and just shot back up. Now, how I am expecting this move to play out and how a day trader would react to such range. First of all, not trading inside of this range. Surely there is scalpers and a lot of cool traders and like super ninja traders that would be taking long positions down here at the range and selling it here, shorting right here again, and then buying back in here again. That is one way to do it, but to be honest, it's very time consuming. And what I'm seeing more is that either you wait for a breakdown and a retest, and then you short from here all the way down, or you wait for a breakout, a retest, almost like we saw it right here, but it broke back in. So as soon as you have the confirmation that it's bouncing from this retest, you go on a long position right here, and then you simply ride the wave upwards. This is the most simple and easiest way to trade the ranges that we are seeing at the moment. And to be honest with you guys, there is no way that anybody can predict in which way or which side this is going to be breaking out with a full, honest, or like with a full 100% prediction. We can make guesses based on what we are seeing. For example, we are seeing, this is, let's say, our high. This is a lower high, and now technically we would be able to say, okay, this is now another lower high, and then here's a lower low, lower low, lower low. So that means that our market structure is in fact trending down. It could lead to a breakdown and a retest of the bottom of this range and then continue more towards the downside, but there's no way to say with full certainty. That was with Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum was showing us a little bit of a different story. It had right here a nice range which I already have marked out. Let's put the box for us to see and to understand once again. I would have put the box like this. I know some people would like to put the box right here and say, okay, this was our breakdown, this was the retest, and then it continued more to the downside. Now, the thing that is a little bit concerning me is that already we do see Ethereum has broken down from the range where Bitcoin is still sitting at. There is a good chance and a possibility that Bitcoin is going to start following this breakdown and also going to be doing a similar move to Ethereum, right? Sitting at a very strong key level, which once again might be another range on a higher time frame, but we're sticking to the 1 hourly right now. And here, once again, we're trading level by level. That means if we break below this level and we retest it, that's an easy short. Now, if we are right here at the bottom of this newly found range, so to say, and we see that we had a deviation and we're coming back inside of this range, there's a possibility for scalpers and low time frame traders to take a long position and trade it back up to the upside right here. There is always multiple possibilities in trading, and how to take positions based on the chart that you're seeing. But at the moment, I'm seeing right here a nice range, once again, and then simply either you trade from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom of the range, or if you don't have the time to look at the charts all the time, you're just gonna be waiting for a breakdown and a retest, or a breakout and a retest, and then just simply ride the wave, and you're going with the flow where the market is having the strength at the moment. All right, guys. Now for the last coin, we're gonna be taking a look at LITECOIN, and we are seeing a little bit of a different structure right here already. Once again, we can start out with a nice range that we're putting in on here, and the top of the range right here as well. We're just covering that we are not having too many deviations. Otherwise, I can see how some people would put it here, but then you have just way too many deviations. That doesn't make sense. So now we do have one and a second deviation and just a nice liquidity grab. Now, once again, we're seeing the same thing. One could say this is a downtrend and we are going to be continuing down. Oh, this is such an obvious short, people would say. I do disagree. As long as we are in this range, we follow the rules of the range. As long as the range is not broken down and retested, no shorts. Once again as well, if the range is not broken up to the upside and not retested, no longs. Now the thing is, we already have here a couple of touching points on this downtrend line, which makes it very significant. What I would do in this case, I would wait for a breakout and a retest of this one before taking the first long to the upside of this range. Alright guys, I hope this cleared up the view a little bit about the market, what is going on at this very moment. And I'm gonna be updating these charts and gonna be doing more TA on a pretty much daily basis on this channel. So make sure to click the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the next update of these charts. And maybe we're gonna be seeing live on the next video that it broke down and we're able to take a short, or maybe we're also gonna be able to take a long position altogether. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you on the next video.